Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert. And today I'm going to show you how to insert a row in Excel and have the formulas fill in automatically. On my screen you can see a spreadsheet with some data input, and these totals are actually sums of each row's contents. So I'm going to insert an additional row here between these two regions, but you'll notice that the formula didn't copy down. There are a couple different ways to fill the formula in. The easiest, though, is to click in that cell where you want the formula and hold down the Control key and press the letter D. That fills the formula down from the cell above. So the cell above was the sum of B6 through E6, and this one is B7 through E7. And as I enter values, I'll see that formula solution update. My name is Bree Clark. I'm a software expert, and that's a way that you can have formulas added automatically when you insert a row in Excel.